Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Just want to make a quick video about something that you might think that has no relation, no correlationship, something that you might think is not even part of the topic, which is the title of the video, why cryptocurrencies in general are related to traditional stocks. And I'm going to use NVIDIA as an example because in my trading channel, I always talk about how NVIDIA is the biggest stock, the most important stock. It might not be the biggest one by size or anything like that, but it's the most important one because NVIDIA basically drives all of AI technology, right? All of artificial intelligence, that bubble, that boom, whatever you want to call it. They drive so much technology, so much of what's going to be very important geopolitically in the coming years, if not already. And this, of course, also includes cryptocurrencies because, as you know, one of the biggest narratives right now is that tokenized assets and AI assets, right? So anything that supports AI technology and tokenized assets, which also function, also depend on much of the developing AI technology right now. Anything like that will severely impact any other assets related to it. So right now you're seeing the NVIDIA chart that I made for my trading channel. So everyone on my trading channel basically saw this developing in real time. I made a video about this. I'll try to link it in the description so you can watch it as well and subscribe to my trading channel if you're not already aware of it. But anyways, everyone there saw this developing in real time, right? I mean, this was for the entire month of April. It's already finished. So what you're seeing right now is that the NVIDIA chart basically ended here with a dip on April 30, right? So what happened with cryptocurrencies on that day? They all went down basically. That day and the day after, which is the 1st of May, they all went down extremely low, right? I mean, Bitcoin went above 60K. So that should tell you something, right? It's a very big dip. And this dip, like I said, coincided with this prediction that I made for NVIDIA, which is a traditional stocks, which, like I said, it drives most of the AI technology and will be very key to what's going to be coming in the future. So guys, be very aware of this. If you're trading meme coins, if you're trading other coins in general, tokenized assets, whatever, if you're trading even what's called the ordinals, the Bitcoin runes, all of that, be aware that traditional stocks, the biggest one, especially NVIDIA right here, can be very influential to what's coming to your graphics, to your charts, if you're trading on cryptocurrencies. You cannot think that both of these are not related, that they don't influence each other. And the one that influences the most is NVIDIA. They influence cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies don't influence NVIDIA. And I know there are a lot of fanatics about cryptocurrencies. I myself, I absolutely adore cryptocurrencies. But I have to say the truth. And the truth is that no matter how big a cryptocurrency gets, even Bitcoin, they will never beat in importance traditional stocks like NVIDIA. They will never beat it. Because they drive literally an economy bigger than countries combined. I mean, NVIDIA is larger than the Chinese stock market, the entire Chinese stock market. So that should tell you that tells you volumes about the size, the importance of the stock that we're talking about. And even if you were to include and merge all cryptocurrencies into one single token, whatever, they will never match the importance of NVIDIA. So, I mean, no one talks about this, and especially in the crypto world. Maybe some people are aware of this in the trading world, but in the cryptocurrencies, no one talks about this, that traditional stocks like NVIDIA actually drive and actually can influence what's going to happen with cryptocurrencies. Remember, cryptocurrencies right now are in experimental phase. I always think and I always believe that the future is going to be tokenized, but these cryptocurrencies that we're seeing, most of them will eventually die. Even projects will establish, and only a few will remain. And those few are always going to be influenced by what bigger stocks, by what technology stocks, and in this case, artificial intelligence stocks, chip stocks, geopolitical stocks. They will all be influenced by these stocks, and that doesn't happen vice versa. It's not that the cryptocurrencies have more power over them. It's these stocks, the traditional market, that has more power over cryptocurrencies. So always be aware of that, especially if you want to be a successful cryptocurrency trader, right? So anyways, guys, I'm going to end it here. Like I said, I'm going to be linking to you my video on my trading channel that you can see the entire prediction developing in real time. I mean, I always get things right. My predictions are extremely accurate. You all see this even in this channel. You all seen how I made predictions about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I will be doing more predictions about Bitcoin and Ethereum for the entire month of May. And I will be doing that next week, so be sure to check it out, and you'll see, again, like I said here, developing in real time. So you got no excuses. This is not cheating. This is pure unadulterated talent for predictions about trading and stocks and all of that in general, right? So anyways, guys, see you guys next week. Subscribe, like, and give me a comment, whatever, and I'll be seeing you guys soon. Take care.